Hello guys, wanna know how to keep your liked reels hidden from friends' feed on Instagram? Let me show you how to do it. So firstly, open Instagram on your device and now make sure you're logged in into the correct account. So then pretty much enter your profile page by clicking your profile icon in the bottom right, and now when on profile page, look at the top right and click on this small menu icon. Now we landed on the settings page, so scroll down slowly until you see the Activity in Friends tab section, and let's give it a tap. So now this is where your feed activity settings are located, so let's select the No One as the option, so your likes and comments stay hidden from your friend's feed. And actually, you can return to these same settings to change them if you changed your mind. And now let's see how it actually works. Go to the Reels tab by clicking on the Reel icon at the bottom, click on Friends at the top, and as you can see, you cannot view their activity because they cannot view yours. Also, stay updated through Instagram's settings because they change them frequently. And that's it. Now your likes are hidden from your friends in the Reels. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.